For durable asphalt patching, make the final repair layer thick enough that after compaction, it sits flush with the surrounding pavement. For a standard pothole or localized repair, start by cleaning loose debris and dry the area so the patch bonds to the host asphalt. Use a tack coat if the material manufacturer recommends it to improve adhesion between old and new layers. Place repair material in lifts no thicker than 2 inches before compaction to avoid trapping voids and to ensure uniform density. Compact each lift fully using a plate compactor or hand tamper and check for rebound or spring in the material. Target the final compacted thickness to match the existing surface, which typically means placing slightly more material to allow for compression rather than estimating exact finish depth on first placement. Check edges carefully and compact into the vertical face to eliminate feathering and reduce edge failure. A square cut edge helps achieve this. Finish by rolling the surface while it is still warm if using hot mix, and allow traffic only after the material has cooled or cured according to the product instructions. Common mistakes include placing too thick lifts and assuming one pass will compact them sufficiently, which leads to low density and early failure. Solve this by limiting lifts to 2 inches and compacting each lift fully. Another issue is inadequate edge compaction, which causes the patch to shear out under load. Fix that by squaring the edge and compacting into the vertical face, so the new material ties into existing pavement. A third frequent problem is underestimating the need for slight overfill before compaction, so the finished surface ends up low. Always place a modest excess, then compact down until the patch is level with the surrounding asphalt. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to help contractors find project opportunities that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where people trade practical tips, ask product questions, and share on-the-job experiences related to repair techniques and materials.